Mayralborn Syiem, you may seek one clarification, please.
Not only smiling, sir. If the House allowed, I would like to laugh also. Honorable Speaker, sir, through you, I would like to extend my sincere thanks to the Honorable Minister in charge of Education for the constructive response that has been placed in this August House. It clearly reflects he is really the son of a school teacher. He himself also, the Honorable Minister, if I'm not wrong, he's a lecturer before becoming a legislator. So he's the best person for this post to look after education with the state. We have high hope to the department to address the issue of the teachers' fraternity within our state. As the Honorable Minister said, not only for SSA, for all pattern of teachers in our state. And I hope the point that I have raised will be addressed, especially enhancement of the corpus fund, especially when the delay of release of fund from the central government. At the same time, the appointment, the speedy approval for the appointment of the vacant post within SSA pattern also. And I'm happy to see that the Meghalaya State Education Commission is in place for the benefit of education in our state. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.